This video is from April 11th, 2020. It's out of Utah and involves an order follower from the Greater Salt Lake Police Force. Guys, these stay-at-home orders being pushed on everyone are starting to affect us all mentally. The toll of social pressures, along with the threats of violence from our masters for non-compliance, like you'll see here, are bringing things to a boiling point. People have been cooped up indoors and the weather is getting nice. Most have been scared to venture out because of the risk of social shaming for putting others at risk, even though they took the same everyday risk of leaving the security of their homes. People were okay with these stay-at-home orders when they thought they were just going to last a couple of weeks. But now orders have been extended, and already there's talk of needing to extend them more to prevent a second surge in cases. All this while our hospitals are still empty. Businesses are being told to close their doors, and neighbors are being asked to turn in those not in compliance. The world's economy is suffering irreparable damage, and those in control already have the solution ready for implementation. They just have to lay in wait for the gullible masses to ask for it. It's the Hegelian dialectic: problem, reaction, solution. It's very convenient, and it requires the best of coincidence theorists to justify handling over our collective sovereignty so these power brokers in our world can save us from the problems they have created for us. Things are ramping up, and the peasant class is getting restless. If you don't trust or like where our society is going, it's time to let your voice be heard. If you love freedom and being an individual, join us. Organize or go to a rally. Grab a sign or go walk on the sidewalk in front of your city hall building. Go to your local hospital and record it, or have someone else record your activity. Post it on your social media and tag me or screenshot it and send me an email. Links to all of my social media accounts and my email are in the description. After 7 days, I'll put all your names in a hat and draw a winner for this dash cam. It's brand new and ready to go. All you need is an SD card. It's time to stand up to these life-crushing stay-at-home orders. We can't let the solution be worse than the problem, my friends. As usual, links to my sources, including the original video, are in the description below. This video is a perfect example of how people are reaching that boiling point, order followers included. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment with your thoughts.
How far do you think I'm going to tolerate your attitude? The handcuffs are on the back of my belt. They'll pinch your wrist. Do you understand me? Trespassing is trespassing.
I understand.
Do you understand me there? Do you understand me there? Do you understand me?
Yes.
We're doing you the benefit of trying to get permission from somebody.
Can you just stand
We
6
don't
feet
need
away,
it. Do you
please?
understand that? I do not need to give you a social distance. Do you understand that?
I understand that, sir.
You invited this on yourself with your attitude. Do you understand that? Do not ask me for favors, Mr. Lockwood. Do you understand that?
I understand
You
that,
stand
sir.
there and you shut your fucking mouth and I'll be right back.
I understand that, sir.
Got him.
Thanks for supporting my channel and work. Links to all the platforms you can find questionable authority on are in the description below. And there's lots of ways to help me grow and dedicate more time to this channel. Of course, links to PayPal, Dash, Bitcoin, and others are listed. But you don't have to part with your capital to support me. There are ways like downloading the privacy-minded Brave browser using my link below and using it for 30 days, or sign up for a new Hive or Steam account and earn cryptocurrency for yourself for doing what you already do on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, and at the same time, I'll earn crypto for your upvotes and comments.